Hello guys, what's up mga wagons? Welcome back to the Paddle family. In today's video, we are making halo halo. So halo halo is the one
of the famous
dessert
in the Philippines.
In summer. And it's summer in Canada, so halo halo. So the first ingredient, Mom, is nata de coco.
So, okay.
And the next ingredient is red mongo.
What?
Red mongo.
Red mongo.
Red mongo.
Okay.
Mom.
It's okay.
And our next ingredient is sugar palm fruit
Or
kaong.
kaong.
Kaong. And our next one is macapuno
Strings.
string. And we got vanilla, sweet bananas, and you're eating all the ubi.
Purple yam.
Dana likes the purple yam. And finally we got hala milk.
And for the toppings,
And for the toppings is
what do you have there?
it's a really sweet, yummy Filipino snack.
Leche flan.
It's leche flan.
Okay. And what else?
And cheese.
Okay. And the most important part is the ice. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, get the crusher. Get your ice crusher.
Okay.
Show mo muna yung ice shaver.
So guys, we have the ice shaver.
Okay.
So guys, we are gonna put the ice in the ice shaver. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. What about one more? Next, we have to put it here and lock it. And how do you lock it? And now, guys, we have to crush it. This is the fun part. Can you hear it? It's ice shaving. Whoa! These guys!
Whoop.
You see the ice, guys? So, guys, I will put every of this only a little bit in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one
That's
more.
enough. Okay.
6, 7. And now, smells so good.
Ikot, paro ka na. Alat lang.
Next is this. And next is this. And one more. What? Oh no! Mom! Mom!
Okay.
Guys, you have ice now, and we are gonna put it in that. Say,
Get a spoon.
hot. Mom. Now let's just dump it. So the next thing we'll do, guys, is we will put the vanilla in the hollow.
Okay. Next is milk. Where's your milk?
Next is the evaporated milk.
Put some more.
No, Daddy.
So guys, next we have to put the leche flan. And one more.
Just wait, Lovey. Just wait. That's enough. Okay.
Okay. Can I take a bite of it?
And then this one. Scoop of this. Come on. Scoop of ube.
Then ube. Then I have here cheese. You can put it on the top. So then we have cheese. If you don't want to put cheese, then you don't have to. But if you want to, okay.